today we got UPOU S20 microphone not working after drop to ground. This is a bad quality phone. It's I think a third hand Chinese mobile, something like that. The quality of this phone is very bad. I don't recommend this phone ever, but the customer asked for replacing the microphone because the microphone wasn't working. I'm always prefer to test the problem, after that we can replace. Sometimes the customer get confused and don't know where is the problem. Sometimes when they told me the microphone, we see that the problem was the ear speaker or the loudspeaker. So it's always better for you to check where is the problem, and then you can do your work. The phone turned on. I'm going to access the microphone. It's on the shortcuts, you can find it. After that I will test the microphone. As you can see, I'm speaking, but the microphone isn't moving, so that means the microphone is not working. But when I touch the phone from the bottom, it working. Seems there is something lost, and when I hit the phone, there was a connection. So I'm going to disassemble, and after that I will check whatever is causing this problem. Opening this device is very easy. Remove the SIM card and the memory card. After that we will remove all the screws. And then you can detach the frame from the screen. Now it's open. Now let's take a look at the microphone. It seems the positive red wire not connected, so that's why the microphone wasn't responding. And when I hit it from the bottom, I was making a connection between the red and the board. I'm going to remove it. You can replace it, or you can resolder the microphone and put it back if it's still working. If it's not working, we are going to replace it. This is the positive and the bottom is the negative. It's written in the board, you can see the signs. Okay, solder the red in the top and the negative in the bottom. Check the wire are solid, the red solid, the black also solid. Now we can put the microphone and power on the device and test the microphone.
1, test 2, test 3, test 1. Test 1, test 2, test 3, test 1.
Okay, the microphone was working, the problem has been resolved. If you have anything else, you can write it down in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to support this channel by like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.
هيجهز الميكروفون.